One click, perfectly consistent characters, fully automated workflow, and $6,000 on the table. It's not even limited to animation either. On this platform, you can create videos in any style you want, easily and fully automated. I've introduced this platform before and a lot of you loved it and already started using it, but with the latest update, it's on a whole new level with some seriously powerful new features. Now here's the exciting part. They've launched a content creation contest with a $100,000 total prize pool. The only catch, there are just a few days left, so you need to act fast. All you have to do is sign up, use the built-in tools, and today I'll fully test one of them and create an animation step by step. Then you post your result in the community and submit it to the contest. There are multiple prizes from $50 up to $6,000, and I truly hope one of you takes one of those wins. All right, let's jump in and I'll show you exactly how to make this animation. Use the link in the description to visit the website, sign up, and claim your free credits so we can test it together. First of all, you can explore animations created by other users, many of which are probably already submitted to the competition. This is a great way to get inspiration and move forward more easily with your own project. You can also remix any animation you like and reuse its script. Here you have access to a wide range of tools for creating animations and videos. But right from the start, I'll tell you the easiest option is one-click video, which is the one I'll be testing today. There are other really powerful tools as well. For example, one of them is music video, which lets you automatically create animated music videos. What's interesting is that you can even generate the music itself, including the singer's voice, right inside the platform with no need for any external tools. You can also quickly create short kid stories in a very short amount of time. The platform supports most of the popular generators for image and video creation. After generating your storyboard, you can edit, regenerate, and refine it in different ways, and eventually turn everything into a final video. You can even create engaging explainer videos in different styles. There's also an all-in-one AI agent available here that can help you a lot. And if you're in the mood for something more advanced, like you can use the story to video tool, which I fully tested in another video. I've linked that video up here for you. Now let's move on to one-click video and see how it works. This tool is powered by the Sora 2 generator, so you can be confident about the quality. To get started, the first step is choosing your video style. There's like multiple options here, like Disney, Pixar, and 3D cartoon styles. In the section below, you simply describe your animation story in a very basic way. If you want, you can even use ChatGPT to help you and start with more detailed ideas right from the beginning. Another option is to use templates created by other Magic Light users and reuse their scripts. There are plenty of animations available here that you can freely use as a starting point. After choosing your story, you move on to the directing section where you select your preferred approach. There are different models for scene breakdown and overall video concepts such as story,
action,
cinematic, action, rhythm, and more. Each one visualizes and narrates your story in a different way. After that, you just select the aspect ratio and click Create Video. In the next step, your script gets analyzed and the system automatically detects and generates your animation characters. If you want, you can replace them with Magic Light sample characters. There's a good variety available, and you can also write a new character prompt and regenerate them. In this case, I'm going to continue with the originally generated characters. Moving on to the next step, the full script is finalized and storyboard images are generated based on it. After that, everything is automatically turned into video without you having to do anything at all. You just sit back and watch and boom, Your video is completely ready. Let's take a look at part of it together.
It's even bigger than I imagined.
Yeah, and it looks like it's been waiting for us.
Ready to find out what's inside?
Always.
Do you see that? Yeah, and I think we're meant to explore it.
If you're fully satisfied with the generated video before publishing, you can also review the automatically designed thumbnail. You can change the text on it or regenerate it using templates. You can customize the title, summary, and hashtags right here as well. But if you notice any issues in the video, you can use the edit option to make adjustments. Here, every 5 scenes are available separately along with their prompts. As you probably know, Sora prompts include all the details like timing, dialogue, music, sound effects, and even camera movements. So you can modify all of these details inside the prompts and regenerate the videos. All generation history is saved, so you'll never lose any of your previous versions.
Whoa, look at that. It's huge.
I didn't think the forest went on this far.
Makes us feel kind of tiny, huh?
Yeah, but also, like, anything's possible.
Once you're completely happy with the final video, just click Next to return to the publish page. I hope this was helpful. Until next time, stay creative.